MOOG applies premium coatings to steering and suspension parts. Phosphate coatings are typically formed with zinc, iron, or magnesium phosphate salts that are dissolved in phosphoric acid. The chemical reaction depletes the hydronium ions, raises the pH, and causes the dissolved salt to fall out of the solution and precipitate on the surface. The chemical process creates a porous, absorbent layer that offers basic corrosion protection. A layer of zinc or a zinc alloy is deposited on the surface by an electrolytic process and forms the base protection layer. Corrosion protection is further improved by trivalent chromium passivation. This process essentially converts the surface of the metal into a mixture of chromium compounds which then oxidize into a barrier layer. This durable coating is applied to MOOG press and ball joints and MOOG link stabilizers. Cataphoresis is a surface treatment that consists of electrochemically depositing an epoxy-type coating on a metal part. MOOG applies cataphoresis to sheet metal wishbones, control arms, axial rods and tie rod ends, ensuring superior resistance to corrosion. MOOG's cataphoresis coating significantly outperforms the electrostatic spray painting technology used by many aftermarket suppliers. MOOG parts are immersed in a bath of electrically charged paint that covers all surfaces, inner and outer, with a consistent coating. The part is then baked at a high temperature to ensure superior bonding and coating strength. The result is an ideal adhesion of the paint and a durable protection against corrosion. MOOG's bolt-on ball joints and accessories have zinc flake coatings. These coatings are deposited by a so-called dip spin bake process. The housing of the ball joint is submerged in a very thin inorganic liquid carrier filled with very small zinc particles. This paint-like substance covers the products, and spinning is needed to remove the excess liquid afterwards. Subsequently, the parts are baked in an oven. This creates a solid layer filled with zinc and aluminum flakes stacked upon each other and results in the most durable corrosion resistance.
You can find the correct MOOG part for your vehicle using the Find My Part page on www.moogparts.eu. There, you will also find the links towards our YouTube channel, Facebook page, and Garage Gurus, our training and technical support program.